Ever wished your low-light spaces could burst with color and life? Today, we're unveiling 7 stunning houseplants that defy the darkness. Transforming those challenging corners into lush, vibrant havens is easier than you think. Get ready to discover plants that thrive where others merely survive. First up, the elegant peace lily, or spathiphyllum, a true classic for low-light conditions. Its graceful white blooms and deep green foliage add a touch of sophistication to any room. Beyond beauty, it's a fantastic air purifier, cleaning your indoor environment naturally. Peace lilies are great communicators. They'll droop when thirsty, making care simple. Just give it consistent moisture and indirect light, and it will flourish beautifully. Next, we have the festive Christmas cactus, a burst of color during the colder months. These beauties offer stunning red, pink, or white blooms, often around the holidays. They prefer bright, indirect light and a bit of humidity to encourage their spectacular flowering. A cool, dark period in fall helps trigger those magnificent winter blossoms. Bring joy to your home with this easy-to-care-for seasonal showstopper. Meet the charming African violet, a small plant with a big impact. Their soft, fuzzy leaves and continuous, colorful blooms make them incredibly popular. Perfect for small spaces, these compact plants can bloom almost year-round with proper care. Remember to water from the bottom to protect their sensitive leaves from spotting. With consistent, indirect light and careful watering, they'll reward you endlessly. Next, the cheerful kalanchoe, a succulent known for its incredibly long-lasting blooms. Its thick, waxy leaves store water, making it quite forgiving if you forget to water. These plants offer a spectacular display of color that can last for weeks, even months. To encourage reblooming, simply prune spent flowers and provide a period of darkness. A low-maintenance choice for vibrant, enduring color in your home. Next, the elegant moth orchid, or phalaenopsis, surprisingly tolerant of low light. Its stunning, long-lasting blooms bring a touch of tropical luxury to any space. Despite their exotic look, they're quite adaptable, thriving in indirect light conditions. Watering is key. Allow the potting mix to dry slightly between waterings to prevent root rot. After blooming, a little patience and care will encourage new flower spikes. Next, the bromeliad, a tropical stunner with striking, long-lasting color. These architectural plants feature a central cup that collects water, mimicking their jungle habitat. Their vibrant bracts, often mistaken for flowers, can last for many months. Bromeliads thrive in low to medium light, making them perfect for those shadier spots. A truly exotic and low-maintenance addition to your indoor plant collection. Finally, the resilient clivia, or Clivia miniata, known for its stunning trumpet-shaped flowers. These robust plants produce beautiful blooms in late winter or early spring, brightening dull days. Clivias thrive in cooler, darker conditions during winter, which encourages their spectacular flowering. They are incredibly low maintenance, requiring minimal water and attention once established. A long-lived plant that adds a touch of timeless elegance to any low-light space. Now, for some general tips to ensure all your low-light beauties flourish. Avoid overwatering. Low light means less evaporation, so soil stays moist longer. Rotate your plants regularly to ensure even growth and exposure to available light. Wipe leaves occasionally to remove dust, allowing them to absorb light more efficiently. With these incredible plants, you can transform any dim corner into a vibrant, living display. Don't let low light limit your green thumb. Embrace these beauties and watch your home come alive. Like, share, and subscribe for more plant care tips and inspiration.